Are you planning to teach abroad pero hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka magsisimula? Good news! Kasi may mga countries na easy lang pasukin kahit beginner ka pa. So in this video, I'll share the top 5 easiest countries na pwede mong applyan. So make sure to watch till the end kasi yung number 1 yung pinaka-perfect for beginners like you. Number 5 on the list is Indonesia. If you want a more structured teaching experience pero beginner-friendly pa rin, this is a good option. Bakit siya madaling pasukin? Many ESL schools are hiring, friendly environment for foreign teachers, and maganda rin ang culture and lifestyle. Requirements are bachelor's degree, TEFL or TESOL certificate. Medyo mas strict nga lang sila in terms of visa kesa sa ibang countries, pero kaya namang i-handle. Good choice ito if gusto mo ng organized system while starting your career abroad. Number 4 on the list is Cambodia. Honestly, this is one of the easiest countries to enter right now. Bakit kamo? Because some schools accept kahit walang TEFL. Fast hiring process, within days lang hired ka na. And simple visa process. Requirements are bachelor's degree and basic English skills. Medyo lower nga lang talaga yung sahod pero perfect na ito for experience. Perfect ito if gusto mo talagang makapag-abroad without too many requirements. Number 3 in the list is Vietnam. This is a very balanced option for beginners. Bakit? Kasi high demand siya for English teachers. You can apply online or walk-in and low cost of living. Requirements are bachelor's degree and TEFL certificate. Flexible schedules plus good lifestyle. Perfect for work-life balance. Kung gusto mo ng chill but stable teaching job, Vietnam is a solid choice. Second on the list is China. If you want to earn more while teaching, this is a very strong choice. Bakit siya easy? Many schools are hiring, very competitive salaries and benefits, and mostly may free accommodation. Requirements are bachelor's degree, clean background check, and TEFL or TESOL certificate. Great choice if gusto mong mag-ipon while gaining experience. Finally, number 1 on our list is Thailand. Hindi always required ang teaching license. Any bachelor's degree is accepted kahit hindi ka education graduate. And schools hire all year round. Hindi man highest salary but the experience is super valuable. Perfect stepping stone before moving to a high-paying country. So that's the top 5 easiest countries for teachers abroad. If beginner ka, I highly suggest you start with Thailand or Vietnam and then level up ka after gaining experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below kung saang country ang target mo.